the both chief minister, so that such incident could not be occurred in the bordering area. So this is a request to all the Khasis brothers, all the Karbi brothers, and all both the chief minister of Assam and also the chief executive member of the that this incident is a very unexpected incident. So it's very light to give pressure to the government and also the central government, so that such incident will not occur in the Middle East. Thank you. This will be decided by the central government, and everyone knows that the central government notification has already published in 1951, and we have got our proper border. So we should not create such a conflict, and we should not create and we should not propagate the hatred among the tribal community. And I also request the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Comrade Sangma, and also the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanto Biswa Sharma, to settle down this border issue very soon, so that in coming days both the Meghalaya people and the Karbi people should live in a very peaceful manner. And as the government has adopted the policy of give and take, regarding the policy of give and take, from the very earlier, the Karbi Student Association has opposed the give and take policy, and we always believe and we always claim that all the area that has been demarcated in 1951 notification, this should be the integral part of Karbi Anglong. We will not give an inch of land to other state of Meghalaya. And we also request the chief executive member.
So a press meet ni tum hanang kolo apen hanang kolo ate Karbi Students Association apen akimanga bang kanalo nili tum khai hijan dhoromi jan apen nili tum party mate danglok kadok kawe nili tum khai pen nalo nili tum ke peace maintenance ji mate monsam do nang ji pensi tum kari lapen nili tum stame mithang along rephat mithang habar thang ki claim pasi tum tame Karbi lo chale song me tum ke kam ji jor bom puoi phit tame pini la pusona incident ang kile ro bang ke Karbi lo chale song pen ning duk parping lo athela puson jongsi Karbi lo Thomas Council pen kedeng pon development akam ki claim pon alo jongsi kumane onang nutum jongsi la puson khai yan pachar bu dut mi meje phan jong selang tum claim bom lo tam tela bang ke mu ki bang je langar ni bang la ke mu dak ji la sini tum Karbi lo chale song pen akamat ha ba ke la son khai yan ki pachar bu ji bang ke madu tame claim nang ne la si ki bang je langar ni bang la puson incident ki bang me je phan Karbi lo Thomas Council a team Karbi Anglong tumas tame geja tumas tame ni tum chuni ripon parping lo je la bang so border issue bang prabjin pen ladak ni tum hana kangsa ki pameje phan la pen ni tum chuni ri lo je pini la bang so incident pen ni tum khai yan ki charbo vida ji phan same ni tum Karbi lo chale song pen chuni ri lo la si ni tum kita non ki bang jilang Pherangke bang jilang bang la person incident jong si do kok lo tum Karbi lo chale song pen same mo pini Pherangke ka song mate sodak ka song tum tame che song konang kok ji la si la person incident ki pawang
in the coming days unwanted circumstances or chaotic situation may happen in the days to come.